A secret garden awaits at this well-appointed cape. Located on almost 2 acres of sunny, fertile land and beautifully landscaped to take in the rolling vista, this well-maintained home will not disappoint. Presently used as a single-family west/accessory apartment, the floor plan is versatile and could be rearranged into many different uses. A recently remodeled kitchen is spacious and includes a large center island, maple cabinets, west/granite counters and stainless appliances, gas cooking A+. A generous laundry room includes a sink and ample storage. Spacious and appointed west/French doors is the living room/dining room combo, wood-burning fireplace A+. The half bath is off the vaulted front foyer and completes the main first floor. There are 2 bedrooms, full bath and sizable hall with built-in/skylights on the second floor. The accessory apartment offers a bedroom, office, bath west/laundry, kitchen, dining room and